A mission-oriented approach let us come together under a common direction to explore new ways of moving forward in a very complex situation. And by looking at the whole system rather than its isolated parts, we can see new patterns emerging, which makes it easier for us to think long-term and act together in collective decision-making. And of course, this kind of approach also has its challenges. When bringing together a diverse group of people, it's easy to get stuck in conflicts and misunderstandings because we don't share a common language. But I believe that if we're able to sort of create this space for diversity to flourish rather than create an opposition, then we can really reap the fruits of this approach.
Our work here aims to employ a mission-oriented methodology for sustainable industry, in particular a production which is local and resilient. We have a global perspective for Sweden and for the role of Vinnnova, and also we employ workshops which are co-creative as a tool. For 2021 and 2022 we have a hypothesis, which is that to reach common angles we then can reach also a common statement. And this common statement can project further to, for instance, a system demonstrator. So far, we have performed workshops with participants being mixed competencies from the Swedish industrial ecosystem.